In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file on Weebly. If you want to share a PDF, a brochure, a menu, or any other downloadable resource on your website, Weebly makes it straightforward. We'll go from opening your site editor to placing the file element, to uploading your document, adding clear download text, and finally publishing so your visitors can access it. Start by opening your site editor. From your Weebly dashboard, choose the site you want to work on and enter the editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want the download link to appear. This could be a resources page, a contact page, or even your home page. Having the right page open now keeps everything organized and saves time later. Next, drag the file element onto the page. You'll find it in the Elements panel, usually labeled File. Click and hold it, then drag it to the exact spot you want your download to live. You'll see placement guides as you move it around. Release when you're happy with the location. Think about your layout and hierarchy here. Place the file near related content so visitors instantly understand what they're getting. Now, upload your file. Click the file element you just added, then choose your document from your computer. Common formats like PDF, DOCX, XLSX, Zippy, and images generally work well, but PDF is best for consistent viewing across devices. Keep the file name clean and descriptive. Short, clear names without special characters help both you and your visitors. If your file is large, consider compressing it first to speed up downloads while preserving quality. After the upload, add download text if needed. Weebly often inserts a default label like "Click to download." Replace that with something specific and helpful, such as "Download the spring menu, PDF, to maybe," or "Get the event schedule." Clear, action-oriented text builds trust and sets expectations. Match your tone to the rest of your site and keep it concise. If you're offering multiple files on the same page, use consistent wording so everything feels cohesive. Finally, click Publish. You'll find the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Publishing makes your changes live, so visitors can now click the link and download the file. If you later update the document, simply return to this element, upload the new version, and publish again so the latest file is available. That's it. You've opened the editor, placed the file element, uploaded your document, refined the download text, and published your site. Your file is now